Hey guys, my name is Luke Purser and I'm a certified personal trainer and motion specialist in Birmingham, Alabama. This video is part of a series we have made on lifting for the youth athlete. If you haven't watched the Start Here video yet, go back and watch it before continuing. That video includes safety precautions you will need to know for each exercise. If you have watched the Start Here video, great, let's get started. The exercise we're going to do now is called the power clean. This exercise is designed to develop strength and power through an explosive movement. Power cleans train almost every muscle group in your body, like your quads, hamstrings, glutes, calves, deltoids, abs, trapezius, and erector spinae. Power cleans train multiple movements at once and improve your ability to do triple flexion and extension. When performing the power clean, the bar is going to start on the ground. You're going to step up to the bar. You want to have your feet at least hip width apart, toes facing forward, with your feet where the bar is cutting your foot in half to where you see your toes on the other side of the bar. When you're performing the power clean, you're going to start in a deadlift position, and then you're going to press through your feet, shoot those hips forward, shrug the shoulders, and shrugging the shoulders and shooting your hips forward is going to allow that bar to have some momentum to where you can swing under the bar, catch it. And the difference between a hang clean and a power clean is the end position where you're catching it. So in a power clean, you're going to catch it in a half squat instead of a full squat. Let me demonstrate. So starting with the bar, rolling the shoulders back, eyes up, chest up. You're going to press through the ground, get full triple extension at the top, catching the bar into a half squat position. Standing back up. Now, some things to think about. 1, start position. Shoulders rolling forward. You want to have those shoulders broad, chest, big chest. You don't want to pick up the bar pulling it with your arms. You want to use all your hips and a big shrug at the top so that bar can have some momentum for you to catch in a good, strong position. Finally, you want to have your heels flat on the ground when you catch the bar because you don't want to have a whole lot of stress on your knees. If you catch it with your toes on the ground and your heels up, put a lot of stress on your unwanted stress on your knees. So you want to keep those heels flat on the ground. Let me demonstrate one more time. A good rep scheme to start off with is 1 to 4 reps. Let's start with the bar or a light weight so you understand how the movement works and you can get comfortable with it. Once you get comfortable with the movement and the pattern, then you can add weight and load it up. To watch more strength training tutorials, check out the playlist linked in the description below to access the rest of the exercise sequence. Or if you live in the greater Birmingham area and are interested in personal training, you can also find that link below to request an appointment on our website. We have many personal trainers who are excited to help you at any stage of your fitness journey. Now, get off YouTube and go have a great day at the gym.